The fixing of the hinges in the traditional style will be a thing of the past, as the cutting with the help of the chisel, sometimes enlarged or sometimes lessened, that means the wastage of time and material. Let us do this cutting with the help of the Endico router. For this, we will have to make this kind of a masterpiece in which there is such type of a rectangular hole. Fit the masterpiece on this in this way. Fit a coping guide and a straight bit in the Endico router so that the coping guide may move from here with the masterpiece. After completion of the cutting, we will feel that the Endico router has been made to save the time. Hinge can also be mortised in such a way also. Fit a long straight bit and while fixing the guide rod from below, tight the screws from the upper side. The Y guide is to be fixed in such a way in the end. By this, the depth will remain the same. Isn't it that Endico router saves a lot of time?